Okay. Guide me through the speed changes, I guess.
Yeah, that one's gonna be like, I think, wait, that's gonna be like...
I have streaming already. Yeah, where is it?
That one is supposed to be right like on the last block, I think, green board. Yeah, right there. No, the other last block there. Right, yeah, there.
What do you mean hold?
Then
Okay.
take.
You can't hold.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
And then,
you said there's a slower.
yeah, right after the Michigan.
That's impossible.
Slope little thing.
That's impossible.
No, that's not right. Where is it?
Yeah.
Where you go? Go back to the
Well-
speed. Michigan.
Like anyone, what color is like good for a 9 circles level? Or is it Coupon Hell
Yeah.
5 level?
Wait, I will.
Here? Here?
Worksy,
like
you
level
copied
up.
my fog effect.
Where? Here or here?
No, it's like a
It's
block.
after.
Having challenges?
Because the
Yeah,
triple
yeah,
spike
there,
jumps
yeah,
are
there.
possible.
Yeah,
Here.
yeah, like that.
Perfect. Okay, what else?
Then we have a right before the actually that one.
This
We already
this
have
feels
that.
like
But
a challenge.
on
It
the
might be at 60
before the
I don't
stop, you know,
think so.
the dual pod.
I mean, if it's possible, I'm
Right
60
before
it should
that.
be at 20 FPS.
Oh yeah, you're. Wait, do you have everything else? Like right off the. Wait, hold up. No. Wait, go a bit. To the right. Yeah, that one's correct.
This one?
That one is. Wait, I must do it. That one. Yeah, that one is. Should be. Yeah, I think that's correct. But yeah, I think everything's. That's
Okay,
how
good.
it's supposed to be.
Everything's perfect. No?
Yeah.